A pizza. Beautiful place with a wonderful staff. Yeah, so this is the menu. They have some decent stuff. Here come the pizza, y'all. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You see that? And the red velvet.
Thank you.
Oh, excuse me, can I get a refill too? Sure.
Yeah.
Here we go. She about to wind it up. Look at that pizza. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh, just so beautiful. Is it on me?
So we have California pizza. Let's check it out.
Look at that, boy. This pineapple pizza is really good. Now, the wait is taking forever though, because I want my Sprite. It's taking forever. Like, where is they at? You know? But good. But what he got, the red velvet cake, off the y'all have to get their red velvet cake, man. All right, let's go. You're gonna be in love with that.
Denny's. You know, Denny's is okay. You know, I heard it was okay. It's time to get some Denny's. Something simple. Something simple. I don't like all the extra butter and stuff, you know. Let's get it. You know, something simple. You know, I might do something simple. It's really good. Nice pancakes, by the way. Pretty good. You know, got the bacon strips. Sausage bacon. Not bad for a breakfast. Scrambled eggs. Pretty good. Here we are at Lemonade. So I heard this is a good spot. So let's check out the menu. All right. So this is how the outside look. You know. Again, this is Lemonade. It's more of a seasonal food restaurant. Now, parking gonna be something else. You're gonna have to find, it's limited parking. But this is more of a quick grab if you want to eat something healthy, some cold food. It's really good. It's really good. It's called Lemonade. Let me show y'all how it looks. Hold on, so I don't want to get hit by a car. Give me 1 second, y'all. This is Lemonade. It's located here in Hollywood. So this meal right here was $14.95. It came a pretty good portion. It's really good. I'm gonna do Jones on 3rd Street. That's in Beverly Hills. They got some good food. I'm gonna show y'all the inside in the building. I may or may not we'll eat the food inside because it'd be packed a lot, but we'll see. If anything, I'll show y'all when I get to the hotel. But let's go to Jones on 3rd. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all Jones on 3rd. Of course, you're gonna be by the Beverly Hills Mall. This is very known. And this is on 3rd Street. So let me just show y'all around. You know, you got the little plazas, Ross. But this is 3rd Street. And you're gonna see Jones coming up. Now, parking is extremely packed. Y'all gonna see. y'all gonna see. Well, I'm shocked today it's not packed, but normally it'd be packed. So it's always good to get parking. Let's go. All right, so we're here at Jones on 3rd Street. So let's check it out.
Which way do you want? Do you want to pass the cow again?
You know, it's Jones on 3rd. They got like a little cow. Thought it was real at first, but it's not. It's a little cow. So let's go. They got nice cheese. You want some champagne? They got salad. This is very popular place. You know, they got very good food. Very, very good. I'm actually going to order something here. You know, the cornbread is really good. Beans are good. This is like very nice and nutritious. You know, sometimes they have soup days. So a very chill, relaxed place. Let's order some stuff. Let me show you all the menu. We got a sidebar. Beautiful flowers. So today is mostly busy today, so let's just check it out. So y'all, I just got Jones on 3rd. One thing I can say, the staff is very, very rude. Like, they're rude. I can tell you that. The food is good, but the service is heck, you know. I was waiting all this time. They didn't even call my food. So the service is here. Nah. It's not good. But the food is really good. So I'm gonna show y'all as soon as I get to the hotel. And let's get it, man. But yeah, the service is horrible. All right, guys. So I'm about to show y'all what's on Jones on 3rd. Let's see. It's supposed to be good. I got the chicken. I believe it's called chicken Molina. If I'm not pronouncing, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. But it's some really good chicken. This is really, really good chicken. It's really good. Then, of course, you got the sides. It's really good. It's very good. Some Panda Express today. You know, you gotta have the egg roll. Gotta have the egg roll. You know, got some orange chicken chow mein. You know what I'm saying? It's time to get to eating. Gotta have some extra meat with it. Alright, so today, y'all, we got Panda Express. Sorry about that. See what the fortune cookie says. It says, you are a deep thinker with a neck for problem solving. You got that right. But yeah, today we got some, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all real quick. Oh, it's time to dig in. This is Panda Express. Pretty good. It is really good. I'm not too much fan of this meat. I forgot what it is. Oh, we had Dalai Lama. They got the Dolly Dream and Baby Mama and everything else on here. So, all right, so what's good? What's good on the menu?
The Dolly's Dream, so that's basically our most popular item on the menu. So that one basically comes with a blue ice cream scoop. It's basically our ultimate Cookie Monster ice cream with Nutella, strawberries, and brownies on top. So that's everyone's favorite, the go-to. So I highly recommend you to get that one.
Okay, they got that. And the moment's revealed. So we're about to try this Dolly Mama, Baby Mama. Dolly Dream. Let's see. It tastes like Dolly Dream too, for real though. It's okay. As you can see, it says the farmer's market. It's pretty busy around this time, as you can see. It says farmer's market. So we're about to enter where I was telling you at. So basically you turn in here. Now don't be scared about the parking. It's not gonna charge a lot. You're just gonna, I'll show y'all. Let me let these people go through. All right, this is what y'all gotta press. You know, this is how much it costs. Don't know if y'all can see it. Then you get the ticket, go through the gate. This is the ticket. You know, this is good for I think like 5 minutes. And here we are at Veggie Grill. But let me tell you somewhere to park first. So we just made it here to Veggie Grill. We're about to see what today's like. They have other stores like Chipotle, Horizon. But for the vegetarians, we are at plant-based Veggie Grill.
You guys want menus and clothes? Menus and clothes? Or you guys want things?
You know, they got the veggie burgers. We have the whole menu. They have burritos, tacos, plant-based. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hey, what's good on the menu?
Okay, so honestly, we do have a new sandwich. It's actually that one right there. It's really pretty good. So,
This one?
it's very, how do I explain this? It has burgers with a little bit more of a flavor. So I would really recommend that one.
Okay.
And then as well as our VG Classic Burger. It's
I
the
get
most
that one,
popular
the VG Classic.
Okay, yeah. Do you want to have that as a combo for $3.50?
Yes.
Comes with any side and a drink over there.
It's about to be bomb, y'all. Let's get it.
Did you want regular fries?
Look how perfectly delicious this is, boy. I'm about to be vegan today. Let's just admire this beautiful burger. All right, y'all, let's see what it's hitting like. Pretty good. And somewhere to drink.